Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to be sharing you all my 4 recipes of cake ingredients in Toca Life. First up, we be needing 4 packets of sugar. Then we be needing 1 strawberry, 1 blueberry, 1 candy corn and 1 apple. And if you have all of those ingredients, then you're all ready to make the cake. Let's get started. So I have 4 packets of sugar and I have a strawberry, a blueberry, an apple and a candy corn. Now let's see when we all combine each other. First let's combine the candy corn. Wow, that looks like a tasty candy corn cake. Now let's combine our apple. Wow, that apple pie looks really tasty. Now let's combine our blueberry. Whoa! And now let's combine our strawberry. Amazing! So these are all the 4 recipes you can make in Toca Life. I'll see you in the next video and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And my channel's name is Remberry Place. See you guys!